Next, the grammatical exercise part. Complete the sentences in past tense forms. So, go is given in the bracket. What we can put here, ma? You can put I went to her place on foot, or I had gone to her place on foot. Both answers are right. The children dash play in the ground when the teacher. When come means you have already. I have already said parallel actions means you can use past continuous form where playing or had been playing. Then they dash request him when the manager arrived. So for this also simultaneous action, they were requesting. If you dash work hard, you would have won the relay match. Would have won means here it takes the perfect form, past perfect, and also in as per the rules of the conditional class, if impossible condition comes means we can use had worked. Then Jonah and Joy dash already comes means you have to put past perfect form. And also here when the others reach the station, so here we can apply were leaving, but we cannot do that because here already is used. So only we are using. A doubt comes, ma'am, here when is used, so we can use like that. Here we should not use because already has been mentioned. Here the keyword already takes the past perfect form. We dash all dash sang in the choir last week past form yesterday, last week, during. It comes means if the keyword, if you find out the keyword means you can apply the past form here. Next, Nancy was always asking for help. Nancy was always comes means we will use here continuous form, past continuous. Yes, if it is asked always means ask for help, it's enough. So here dash always asking, was always asking. Yeah, action going on in the past form. The office goers dash wait for the train, were waiting for the train. So here we have to fill all the sentences in past tense form, and the past tense means past contains 4 forms, so we are applying the 4 forms based on the type of sentence used there. Now come to the next one, next part exercise. Fill in the blanks using the verbs in the bracket in the future form. Here we are filling using future. We shall not, bracket what is given here, you see, go, in case. So we shall not, we comes means we have to use shall. We shall not go to the market. Next, do comes. Do means by next week means we will use will. Kirti will do. Next week you can use will have done. By next week. So will have done her work by next week. Next, not his, Kirti, so her work. Next, the peon will have rung the bell by the time I reach the school. So here you can identify the place where we are using by next week. So the action which will complete only in the future. That means he will be working there and he will do this activity and it will continue. For that we are using here will have run. I shall be visiting my sister's house next April. So next April, so future form, future continuous form we are using. If you listen, so this is conditional, possible condition we can say. So we are using here will understand. Then by next year I shall have been living. Why we are using the future perfect continuous form means here for is used. So by next year it will go on, it will continue, and when it will end you don't know. So for 15 years by next year I shall have been living in Chennai. The new edition of this book will come. So come comes here means we use will come out shortly. She hopes you will help her. Hopes. So will help her. Next, what are the forms of tenses used here? And you write the name of the tense used in this sentence. I am working means a present continuous. The moon revolves around the earth means simple present. Where the milkmen cowing, were milking. So this is past continuous. He received means simple past. I I have been ill for a couple of days. Have been ill. So this is present perfect. Next, fill in the blanks with the form of verbs in the brackets. Apply the correct form of verbs. So now we are moving to the next one. Raghav is born in a middle class family. So the options are given down. You have to select it and write. So we are writing here, is born in a middle class family. He is a school going boy of 8. His mother works as a software engineer in an MNC. Select the answer. I have selected the answer and written here. Next, drawing is his. So gerund form of verb is used here first, and this is the gerund form. School going boy. We will say school going boy only. This is the right answer. Next, favorite. Drawing is his favorite hobby. We will use drawing only. Next, school level competition for the last week. Last week, past form. So here we are using he won the first prize. Then he started drawing. He started drawing at the age of 3, the past activity. So his mother hoped he will become a great painter in future. She hopes to be him to be a great painter in future. Not hope, she hopes. Move to the next one. Here a passage is given. It has not been edited. Spot the error will be asked, or this question will be asked for 5 marks. So when you know the tense form thoroughly, you can attend this and get full 5 marks. When Anand reaches Arun's place, his friends have arrived already. Arun introduces Anand to them. Arun's brother buys some snacks from the market. Arun serving it to all his friends. Then they all sat together to planning their holidays. Arun have a cottage in Ooty, so they all plan to go to Ooty during the holidays. Would we have a good time? Asked Arun. They all cheerfully say yes. So here you read there are a lot of errors. So you have to select the wrong word and write the correct form of word. In this first one, reach is the wrong one. So we have, because already is used, so reached, simultaneous actions. Have arrived becomes had arrived. Introduces, you should not write introduces, introduced, past activity. Next, Arun's brother buys some snacks. You should not write buy, perfect form, past perfect, had bought. Arun was serving it to all his friends. All has to be written in past form. Then they all sat together to planning, should not come. So they all sat together to plan, infinitive form of verb. Next, Arun have, should not come, have had a cottage in Ooty. So they all plan. It should not come like this, plan. We have to write planned. Would should not come like this, should we have a good time, asked Arun. They all cheerfully say, should not come like this. You have to write said. They all cheerfully said yes. Now read this passage also. Once in an exam, this question was asked. You rewrite the passage in the simple past form. Here also you see, Juno the elephant is past. You have to change the entire present form in this sentence to past form. So Juno the elephant was lonely and tried to make friends with the other animals in the forest, but the other animals refused to play with Juno because of his size. One day, refused, you should not write refuse. One day all the animals were running away from Dheera the tiger, who was eating everyone he found. So all has to be changed into its corresponding past form. Juno went and gave Dheera a swift kick. Dheera immediately ran away, not runs away, ran away. Juno was now everyone's friend. Thank you, children.